Hello everyone, today's question is if cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to tan square alpha, then we have to prove that cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is equals to tan square theta. To prove the given identities, we have to write the given part. First we write given part. What is the given part? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to tan square alpha. Okay, so in the left hand side we can write that cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by 1 and tan square alpha can be written as sin square alpha by cos square alpha, because tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so the next step is we can replace 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, so in the left hand side we can write that cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Here we apply the identities. What is the identities? Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So come to the next problem. Now applying componendo and dividendo rule. Okay, so first remember the componendo dividendo rule. If in the ratio proportion in topic, we can write if a by b is equals to x by y, then applying the componendo and dividendo rules, we can write a plus b divided by a minus b is equals to x plus y divided by x minus y. So it is a componendo dividendo rule. Apply this rule in the equations. Okay, so here in the left side it becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta whole divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here the sign is interchanged, so minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, in the right hand side it becomes sin square alpha plus cos square alpha divided by sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. Okay, so come to the next step. What is the next step? Here we can see that minus sin square theta and plus sin square theta cancel out. Here minus cos square theta and plus cos square theta are cancel out. So in the left hand side it becomes 2 cos square theta divided by minus 2 sin square theta is equals to, here cosine square alpha plus cos square alpha become 1 whole divided by, here it is sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. Okay, here 2 and 2 cancel out. Okay, so after taking the reciprocal in the above equation, we get minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta is equals to, here what is the what we get, that is sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. Okay, so we know that sin square theta divided by cos square theta is tan square theta. Okay, so we can write minus tan squared theta is equals to sin square alpha minus cos square alpha. If we take minus second common minus from the left side, right side of the equation, we get to minus tan squared theta is equals to minus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. Okay, so if I cancel out the minus sign from the both sides, we get what we get, tan square alpha theta is equals to cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So after the arranging, we get cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is equals to tan square theta, which is our required equation. So we can write hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so from this equation we get if the cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to tan square alpha, so we prove that here cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is equals to tan square theta. Here the proof, you can see that. Okay, thank you.